Social media marketing. Social media has become an essential part of marketing your business. But what is social media marketing? And how does it work? This post will explain everything you need to know about using social media for small business growth. What is social media marketing? Social media marketing is a way to reach out to your audience and build relationships. It's also a great way to build trust and credibility with your customers. Social media can be used as a way of sharing brand news, explaining products or services, or just having fun with fans. Social media marketing has become so popular that it's hard not to notice its presence in everyday life, whether you're on Facebook, Twitter or Instagram, or even Snapchat. Chances are there's someone else using the same platform as you. This means that if you want people who aren't already aware of what your business offers, then social media is going to be essential for getting them interested in learning more about it too. How does social media marketing work? Social media is a great way to connect with your customers and get your message out to the world. It's also an effective way of getting people talking about you, whether they like what they see or not. Social media marketing isn't just about posting content on Facebook or Instagram. It's about creating content that gives value to users, encourages engagement, and drives conversions. Social media platforms and their benefits. Social media platforms are a great way to reach your target audience. They have a large number of users and are easy to use, free, fast, accessible, and flexible. Social media platforms can be used for any type of business or organization. They allow you to connect with potential customers in real time through social media interactions such as liking or commenting on someone else's post, sharing content that relates directly back at them. Interacting with other users on the platform itself, such as liking their posts, responding publicly or privately within comments sections, sending direct messages, DM, which allow you direct access without having an account associated with those specific accounts, allowing better personalization during conversations between people who know each other well enough already, so they may have already built trust before even starting up any kind. Communication between them. This increases efficiency because there isn't much overhead involved beyond simply keeping track of what needs done next step by step, until completion occurs. Why should you be on social media? Social media can help you connect with your customers, get feedback from them, and get that feedback on a scale that's never been possible before. Connect with your customers. You can use social media to communicate directly with potential customers who are interested in what you have to say or offer. This way, they'll know exactly how much time they need to spend reading through all of their posts before deciding whether or not they want to buy something from you, and it will only take seconds. Get feedback from your current customers as well as new ones. If someone leaves a comment on one of your posts, or even just takes an interest, then that means there may be another person out there who also wants information about whatever it is that you're selling at the moment, so why not provide this service by responding? And if someone does leave negative comments about why they don't think something works well enough, or worse yet, why those features should be removed entirely, it could lead up into some interesting conversations around improving customer satisfaction levels across all platforms where people interact online today. How to use social media for small business growth. How to use social media for small business growth. If you're a small business owner, there are many ways that social media can help your business grow. Social media has become an effective marketing tool for many companies, as it allows for direct communication with customers and potential customers. Here are some ways that social media can benefit your small business. Attract new customers by being active on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. This will help you reach out to potential clients who might not otherwise hear about what you do or how they could be involved in doing it themselves. Engage with existing customers by posting content on their pages on these platforms, or even reposting images from other accounts. For example, if someone posts an article about the benefits of using organic products rather than processed ones at local grocery stores, then maybe one day down the road when this person buys something online, then maybe instead of buying processed foodstuffs which may contain chemicals not meant for human consumption, he'll choose organic products instead because he knows now what kind of health benefits come along with purchasing organic items, therefore increasing sales revenue overall. Social media has become an essential part of marketing your business. Social media has become an essential part of marketing your business. It's a great way to reach your target audience, promote your business, and build your brand. Social media is the best way to connect with people who are interested in what you have to offer. If you have any questions about social media marketing or other ways that we can help make this process easier for our clients, please contact us today. Conclusion: social media is a great way to connect with your customers and build relationships with them. It gives you the opportunity to share content that's relevant to their interests and add value by sharing useful tips and tricks for your products or services. By engaging with customers in this way, you can encourage them to come back again, which ultimately benefits both parties, especially if they like what they see enough.